Have you ever dreamed of a drone that feels like it's thinking for itself? One that follows you like a loyal sidekick, captures cinematic footage, and barely needs a controller to take off? Well, that dream just got real. Meet the DJI Neo 2, a tiny flying powerhouse that's redefining what a selfie drone can be. At first glance, it's compact, light, and unassuming, barely over 150 grams. Yet, somehow, it's packed with tech that's usually reserved for bigger, pricier drones. And that's where things get interesting. What really makes this little guy special is how effortless it is to use. With palm takeoff and landing, you can literally launch it from your hand, without touching a controller, without touching your phone. Just hold it and let go. It lifts off, hovers, and starts tracking you, all with a simple gesture. And speaking of gestures, yes, you can actually fly this drone with your hands. Raise your palm, it drifts up. Move your hands apart, it flies away. It's intuitive, responsive, and honestly, pretty fun. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's not just about cool tricks. This drone is built to capture real high-quality footage. The Neo 2 packs a 12-megapixel, 1/2-inch CMOS sensor mounted on a 2-axis gimbal. That means smooth, stable video in 4K, up to 60 frames per second. You also get slow motion up to 100 frames per second, plus vertical video for social platforms. So whether you're posting on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you're covered. One of the biggest upgrades over the original Neo is the new Omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. It combines forward LiDAR and monocular vision sensors to help the Neo 2 avoid obstacles while flying, especially when it's tracking you during a run, a bike ride, or just exploring outdoors. That extra confidence makes a huge difference. Add in ActiveTrack that follows subjects at up to 12 meters per second, plus intelligent modes like Droney, Helix, Spotlight, Dolly Zoom, and suddenly, this tiny drone feels like a full creative tool, not just a toy. What surprised me most is how capable it feels in real life. Even though it's small, its wind resistance and improved tracking. Keep it steady and confident, even when you're moving, even when conditions aren't perfect. That's impressive. Now, no device is perfect. Let's talk about that. Battery life sits around 18 to 19 minutes. So if you're shooting all day, you'll want extra batteries. And while the onboard storage is generous at 49 gigabytes, there's no micro SD slot. So you'll need to manage your files. Still, for beginners and everyday creators, these are small trade-offs. Because what you lose in runtime, you gain in simplicity, in fun, and in footage you'll actually be proud to post. At its core, the DJI Neo 2 isn't trying to replace high-end cinema drones. That's not the goal. Instead, it's carving out a new lane. A drone that's accessible, smart, playful. A drone where flying feels less like a technical skill and more like pure creativity.